Hi guys, welcome to Royal Logos. It's my pleasure to have you here and I really hope that you all are doing well. In today's video, I will demonstrate you that how can we extract a logo design idea for a company that is providing logistics services. So without wasting any time, let's continue with the brief that we received from the client. So the client says that the name of the company is Cento Logistics. The word Cento should be focused as primary and bold, so that we can use it for future sub-brandings. This is an upcoming courier company providing services all over the globe. The company will provide fast, reliable and affordable courier services. Initially, we are looking for a minimalistic yet impactful and easily memorable logo design. We are not fond of monograms, but you can try some if it looks good. Logo should represent our courier and moving services in a very abstract way, not directly. About colors, we like warm tones, like oranges or reds. So now the major points that I extracted from this brief. First of all, it's the name of the company, or you can say the name of the logo, which is Cento Logistics. And the second one is that the word Cento should be focused as primary and bold in the logo text, so that it can also be used as future sub-brandings. And third one is that this is a courier company which is providing services all over the globe. And fourth important point is that the logo should represent moving and courier services in a very abstract way, not in a direct one. And the last one is about colors, which is warm tones like oranges or reds. So now let's continue with the mind mapping process to design our logo for Cento Logistics. First of all, to design our logo, we can use the initial letter C, or we can use the combination of letter C and letter L. And as the name suggests, Cento Logistics. So we can also use a vectorized version of a centaur. And we can also use an abstract mark of a globe, as the company is providing the services all over the globe. And to represent the moving, courier and logistics services, we can use different elements, like we can use an abstract mark of an arrow, not a hunting arrow, but an arrow that represents the forward moving services. We can also use the means of transportation like ship, aeroplane or a truck. We can also use the minimalist elements in our logo like wings or tires. And now to design our logo, I have decided to use the combination of centaur and arrow. And after sketching different designs, this was the finalized version. Now let's break down this one to understand the background logic. Now this part represents the centaur and this one represents an arrow. Now you can share your thoughts about the design in the comments section, that whether you liked it or not, or if you want to suggest any modifications. And if you think that this video helps you in some way, then like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.